Think you're health smart? Let's bust 3 health myths people still believe. Myth 1: cracking your knuckles causes arthritis.
Fact: totally false. It's just gas bubbles popping.
No arthritis, just mildly annoying to everyone around you. Myth 2: you need 8 glasses of water every day.
Fact: that's a general guess, not a rule. Your needs depend on your body, food, and activity. And yes, soup counts. Myth 3: cold weather makes you sick. Fact: it's not the cold, it's the viruses. Cold just gives them better networking opportunities indoors.
Still believe any of these? Smash like if one fooled you, and hit subscribe for more myths getting destroyed.